Standard 10 Subject Science and Technology Part 1 Lesson number 3 Chemical Reaction and Equations. Today we are going to learn types of the chemical reaction. Chemical reactions are classified into the following 4 types in accordance with the nature and the number of the reactants and the product. Types of chemical reaction. First one, combination reaction. Second, decomposition reaction. Third, displacement reaction. And fourth one, double displacement reaction. Now we are going to learn combination reaction. All of you see the definition. When two or more reactants combine in a reaction to form a single product, it is called a combination reaction. Let us see the example of combination reaction. Ammonia combined with the hydrogen chloride and forms the ammonium chloride. Here you can see there are two reactants, ammonia and hydrogen chloride. Both are combined together or react together, then single product ammonium chloride are formed. And see, in the second example you can see magnesium when burned in the presence of the oxygen, then it forms the magnesium oxide. Here also students, you can see magnesium combined with the oxygen. There are two reactant. When these two reactant are the combined together, then single product are the form, that is called as the magnesium oxide. Now third example, calcium oxide combined with the water and forms the calcium hydroxide. Along with the calcium hydroxide, heat is also evolved. In this example, there are two reactant, calcium oxide and water. These two reactant are combined together and form the single product. The name of single product is the calcium hydroxide. Let's see second type of chemical reaction, decomposition reaction. All of you see the definition. The chemical reaction in which two or more products are formed from a single reactant is called decomposition reaction. In another word, we can say that the reaction in which there is only one reactant giving rise to two or more product is called a decomposition reaction. Now see the example of decomposition reaction. On heating the sugar, it decomposes into their own component, carbon and water. And see the second example. On heating the calcium carbonate, it decomposes into their own component, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas are evolved. All of you see the third example. Hydrogen peroxide naturally undergoes slow decomposition process and it forms the water and oxygen. In all above three examples, you can see the single reactants are the decomposed and forms the two component. Now let us see the third type of the chemical reaction, that is called as displacement reaction. All of you see its definition. The reaction in which the place of the ion of a less reactive element in a compound is taken by another more reactive element by formation of its own ions is called displacement reaction. In another word, we can say that highly reactive metal is displace the less reactive metal, or highly reactive element displace the less reactive element. Let us see the example of displacement reaction. See, when copper sulfate react with the zinc, then zinc displaces the copper from its own compound and forms the zinc sulfate. Now see the second example. When copper sulfate react with the iron, then iron displaces the copper from its compound and forms the iron sulfate. In the third example, copper sulfate react with the lead and lead displaces the copper from its compound and forms the lead sulfate. So in this reaction, zinc, iron, lead, these three elements are the more reactive in compared to the copper. So that's why it displaces the copper from its compound and forms the zinc sulfate, iron sulfate and lead sulfate respectively. Let us see the fourth type of chemical reaction, that is double displacement reaction. Now see the definition. The reaction in which the ion in the reactants are exchanged to form a precipitate are called double displacement reaction. In another word, we can say that the reaction where a precipitate is formed by exchange of ions between the reactants are called double displacement reaction. Let us see the example of double displacement reaction. When silver nitrate treated with sodium chloride, then silver chloride are formed along with the sodium nitrate. Silver chloride is the white color precipitate. Precipitate is insoluble substances which are always pointing downward. See the second example. When barium sulfide react with the zinc sulfate, then barium sulfate and zinc sulfide are the form. In this reaction, barium sulfate is the precipitate and it is insoluble substances which are pointing downward. Now let us see the summary of the type of chemical reaction. First one, combination reaction. In this reaction you can see A and B, two reactant are the combined together form the single product AB. And in the decomposition reaction you can see the single reactant decompose and form the two different product A and B. And now third one, see displacement reaction. In this reaction highly reactive element A displaced to the C and forms the A, B and C. In the last double displacement reaction, both ions A, B are exchanged by the CD and forms the AD and BC. Thank you.